This is my prayer in the fire. In the weakness or trial or pain. There is a fragrance of more worth than gold. So refine me, Lord, through the flame. I will bring praise. I will bring praise. No weapon formed against me shall remain. I will rejoice. I will declare God is my victory and He is here.
Namisin vibe doon ito. Hindi ka guys.
Galing, rules, kabisado.
This is my prayer in the battle. When triumph is still on its way.
Ano ba? Amen, di ba?
I am a conqueror and go where it rises. So fear on His promise I stand. And I will bring praise. I will bring praise. No heaven formed against me shall remain. I will rejoice.
100
I
old.
will declare God is my victory and He is here. All of my life, in every season, You are still God. I have a reason to sing. I have a reason to worship.
All of my life.
All of my life, in every season, You are still God. I have a reason to sing. I have a reason to worship. All of my life,
Ayan.
in
Gusto mo
every
pagka nag-lead ka ng worship,
season,
bumababa ang
You
heaven?
are still God.
Gusto mo pag nag-lead ka ng worship,
I
bumababa ang
have a
heaven?
reason to sing.
Gusto mo?
Ngayon na, practice na
I
yun.
have a reason
Or ano na?
Pero gusto mo, tanong ko sa'yo, willing ka ba mag-pay ng cost?
I will bring
Hindi siya libre.
I will bring
Hindi pera ha.
Workshop na yan, oh.
Ako libre. May kapalit siya.
Workshop na ngayon na, oh.
Mahirap.
I will declare God is my victory and
Hindi
He
naman workshop yung
is
bro.
here.
Surrender lang yun.
Practice na ngayon.
Thank you. Ah, thank you.